Transforming a simple pumpkin into a haunting masterpiece is an art form that goes beyond the traditional kitchen knife. For those who crave intricate detail and professional-level results, USA-made Carbide Burr die grinder tool bits are the ultimate secret weapon. These precision-engineered tool bits, crafted from high-quality carbide, are not just for metal or wood, they're perfect for bringing your most elaborate Halloween pumpkin designs to life. Imagine you want to carve a pumpkin with a sinister grin or piercing, eerie eyes that seem to follow you in the dark. Achieving those sharp angles, crisp lines, and subtle contours can be nearly impossible with standard carving tools. This is where the Carbide Burr comes in, especially in pointed shapes like the ball or cone. The ball-shaped burr is excellent for creating rounded features. Think of plump, bulging eyes, pronounced cheekbones, or the delicate curve of a sneering mouth. The cone-shaped burr, on the other hand, is your go-to for fine lines, deep grooves, and the sharp edges that define a truly wicked smile. To begin, choose a clean, firm pumpkin with a smooth surface. After sketching your design lightly onto the skin, use a small ball-shaped carbide burr to trace the outlines of the facial features. The precision tip allows you to follow curves and intricate lines with ease, removing just the right amount of pumpkin flesh to reveal subtle expressions. The carbide's toughness means you can carve for hours without losing the sharpness needed for detail. When you're ready to add depth and shadow, switch to the cone-shaped burr. This tool is fantastic for deepening eye sockets or accentuating the corners of a mouth, giving your pumpkin an almost lifelike sense of dimension. The pointed tip lets you dig into tight corners that would otherwise be unreachable, making it ideal for crafting those signature sinister grins or elaborate eyebrow arches. You can even use the edge of the cone to smooth out transitions between different carved areas, blending shadows for a ghostly, three-dimensional effect. One of the key benefits of using carbide burrs is the level of control they provide. Unlike serrated knives which can slip or tear the pumpkin's flesh, these tool bits grind away material with precision, leaving clean, defined edges. This is especially important when working on expressive features like teeth, wrinkles, or scars. The more control you have, the more personality you can give your pumpkin. Whether you're aiming for a classic jack-o'-lantern smile or a terrifying, twisted expression straight out of a nightmare. Safety is always important when working with power tools, so be sure to secure your pumpkin and wear protective eyewear. Let the tool do the work. There's no need to force it. With a gentle, steady hand, you'll find that the carbide burr glides through the pumpkin's flesh, making even the most complex designs surprisingly manageable. If you're looking to take your pumpkin carving skills to the next level this Halloween, our USA-made Carbide Burr die grinder tool bits are the perfect addition to your toolkit. Their durability and precision open up a whole new world of creative possibilities, allowing you to craft everything from subtle, spooky expressions to elaborate, multi-layered designs that will leave your neighbors in awe. If you enjoyed these tips and want to see more creative ways to use our tool bits, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We'd love to hear about your own Halloween creations and what you plan to carve this year. Leave your comments below and share your spooky pumpkin ideas with our community. Happy carving!